Welcome to Zen Zone. Explore the art of meditation for ultimate stress relief. Do you find yourself constantly overwhelmed by the relentless demands of everyday life? Is stress slowly chipping away at your overall well-being? If you answered yes to either of these questions, it's time to embark on a transformative journey and discover the profound power of meditation. Meditation, a centuries-old practice, offers you a profound opportunity to regain control over your life. It allows you to quiet your restless mind, reduce the burdens of stress, and unearth the wellspring of inner peace that resides within you. By gently focusing your attention and systematically eliminating the distractions that often surround us, meditation offers the gateway to a state of deep relaxation and rejuvenation. In the midst of life's chaos, it becomes a sanctuary where you can find solace, clarity, and profound stress relief. To embark on this transformative journey, take a moment to find the perfect serene and tranquil space where you can fully unwind. It could be a cozy corner of your home, a quiet park bench, or a peaceful spot in the great outdoors. Allow this place to envelop you in its soothing embrace, a sanctuary where you can let go of life's demands. Now, sit down in a relaxed yet dignified posture, with your spine gently aligned. Feel the support beneath you, grounding you in the present moment. Close your eyes softly, allowing the world around you to gently fade away, leaving you with the spaciousness of the inner world. As you begin this journey within, initiate it with a deep and intentional breath. Inhale slowly, welcoming the air into your lungs. Imagine this breath as a life-giving force, filling your entire being with fresh energy. As you exhale, release with gentle grace, allowing any tension or worries to flow out of you, like leaves floating down a peaceful river. In this very moment, you are entirely present. The worries of the past and the uncertainties of the future hold no sway. You are here, now, in a space of profound tranquility. As you journey within, permit your thoughts to move freely, like clouds in the vast sky of your mind. Observe them as they come and go, without judgment or attachment. Imagine them as passing visitors, each with its own story, but none staying for long. Now, return your awareness to your breath. It is your steadfast anchor to the present moment, a constant reminder that you are alive and connected to the essence of life itself. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, its natural ebb and flow, as it nourishes your body and soothes your mind. With each deep breath, visualize the sensation within your body. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the way your abdomen gently expands and contracts. Feel the connection between your body and the supportive surface beneath you, as you harmonize with the earth's energy. As you exhale, let go of any accumulated stress and tension. Visualize this tension as dense clouds dispersing in the sky, leaving you feeling lighter, more at peace, and completely unburdened. With the passage of time, you may begin to notice a profound sense of calmness enveloping you, like a warm, comforting blanket. This is the essence of your Zen Zone, a sanctuary of peace that resides deep within you. It is a place you can always return to, no matter how tumultuous life may become. As you continue on your meditation journey, always carry with you the knowledge that this inner sanctuary is ever present and always available to you. It is your haven of tranquility, a sacred space within your being where you can consistently find solace, clarity, and profound stress relief. No matter where life's journey takes you, whether through the peaks of joy or the valleys of challenge, this inner refuge remains a constant source of strength and serenity. It's a place where you can return to recalibrate your mind and nourish your spirit. In moments of uncertainty or chaos, when the world outside feels overwhelming, simply close your eyes and take a deep breath. You can access this sanctuary at any time, allowing its serene presence to guide you back to a state of inner peace. So, as you navigate the beautiful tapestry of your life, cherish this inner sanctuary. Cultivate it, nurture it, and let it be your trusted companion on your journey towards a life of harmony and well-being. When you sense that the time is right, gently open your eyes, allowing the soft light of your surroundings to re-enter your awareness. As you do, you'll notice a profound sense of rejuvenation and refreshment washing over you. Carry this newfound tranquility with you as you step back into the flow of your day. Recognize that you hold within you the remarkable power to find peace, even in the midst of life's challenges. This inner wellspring of calm is your guiding light, your unwavering anchor amidst the ebb and flow of life. Remember, as you encounter the various moments, both big and small, that compose your day, that you possess the innate ability to center yourself, to regain balance, and to nurture your well-being from within. By regularly returning to this inner sanctuary through meditation, you not only cultivate resilience, but also enhance your capacity to respond to life's complexities with grace and clarity. With this newfound tranquility, you are poised to face the world, not as a passive observer, but as an empowered creator of your own inner peace. So, embrace the challenges that arise with the knowledge that you carry this serene strength within you, always ready to guide you back to a place of balance and harmony. We extend a heartfelt invitation to you, inviting you to subscribe to our channel. Within its digital realm, you'll discover a treasure trove of relaxation techniques, mindfulness practices, and wellness tips, all thoughtfully crafted to elevate the quality of your life. Our mission is to serve as your trusted companion on your journey to inner peace and well-being. We believe that by nurturing your mind, body, and spirit, you can unlock the full potential of a balanced and harmonious life. Thank you for joining us on this profound exploration of the art of meditation for ultimate stress relief. As you embark on your personal odyssey of self-discovery and tranquility, remember that you are not alone. You are a cherished member of the Zen Zone community. Welcome to Zen Zone, where the path to inner peace is illuminated. Together, let us embrace the transformative power of meditation and embark on a journey towards a life enriched with serenity and fulfillment.